Hello, welcome back to Python Media. Today we are going to see what are the operators in Python. So this is the last session which we have discussed. These are on the challenge that is solved. So the challenge that we have discussed in last session was how to comment the multiple lines in Python other than the method of quotes or by putting hash in the each line. So this is basically a shortcut. Oh, okay, so what we will be doing here is, suppose I have multiple lines. So yeah, I'm giving like how are you, what you can do is select all, and we have to put the combination of control backslash. So altogether this will be selected and every lines will be commented. So it's just a shortcut. Okay, so let's back to today's session. So today's session in what are the different operators in Python. We know the mathematical concept of operators and operands to do some operations, right? So to using the operators, we do something on operands, and that process is called as operations. So these are the various operations or operators in Python: arithmetic, logical, assignment, comparison, identity, membership, and bitwise. So let's see one by one. First one is arithmetic operator. So this part is simple, it's a self-explanatory. Here we can see the arithmetic operators are plus, minus, into, and division. Okay, so I will show you one example. Suppose if you have a is equal to a equal to 10, b equal to 2, print. So here I am giving the operator plus b, and I will run this. I got the output. So simple. Similar to that, subtraction. Okay, see here we got 8 instead of 10. Okay, because it will take the number that is 10 and 2. Now into, okay, pretty good, divided by 5. So everything good, simple. Now the three more arithmetic operators which we are seeing first time are flow division operator, exponent, and remainder. So exponent, this is basically used to do raised to operation. That is, suppose if I have to give a, this is basically a raised to 2 or a square. The output will be 100. Okay, and the other two which we saw are flow division and remainder. So in the remainder we use this operator is called as the modulus operator. Okay, for the remainder operation we use something called as the modulus operator. By using the modulus operator we will get the remainder. So if I am giving this modulus operator a mod b, if I run that I will get 0 because 10 is completely divisible by 2. Next is flow division operator. Here we will get the quotient. Okay, so I will get here 5. Suppose if I am giving here 101, and if I am giving a divided by b, so I will get the decimal value here, right? 50.5. Now what if I am giving a flow division operator? Here it will give 50. So basically this flow division operator will give the values but not the decimal values. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operators. Now let's see some of the logical operators. Simple, or, and, not. These are the three logical operators in Python. Okay, so let's see what these are doing. Okay, for the easiness I am taking here a is equal to true, okay, and b is equal to false. Now here I am giving the print statement A, or I have to give the small letters. Okay, Python is a case sensitive language, so beware of that. Yeah, it is giving true because I have given true, that is either true or false, so it took true. Now if I give and, we know it will give false. Similarly, if I am giving not B, simple, self-explanatory, it will give true. Good. If we want to compare with the multiple conditions or something, if we want to give everything in one line, we can use this logical operators. Now, what are the comparison operator? Comparison operator basically used to compare between the operands. Simple. First thing is equal to, that is single equal to. So A equal to 10. Simple, it is the assignment one. Now double equal to, that is used to check between the two values. Okay, that is A equal to 10. It is used to check the values between LHS and RHS, whether we have to check whether the A is equal to 10. So I will show you the example. We will give, first of all, we will assign A is equal to 10 here. Then I will check or print A is equal to 10. Let me see. Cut and paste. It is showing true because the value of A is equal to 10. So basically this double equal to is used to check values. Important. The other one is triple equal to. Triple equal to will check for the data types as well. Okay, so for that we are using triple equal to. Now we have some of other comparison operators like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Suppose if A is equal to 10, B is equal to 30, print A greater than B. Pakka we will get false. Self-explanatory. A not equal to B. Another example, another simple example I have to say. A, yeah, where is not equal to? Yeah, not equal to B. Sorry. A not equal to B. It should be true. Okay, so this is pretty much self-explanatory. Comparison operators. Next is the assignment operator. This is one of the important or the thing you have to remember, because it is used in incrementing the counts and all. For example, like if you are setting in the programs like sum is equal to 0 and we are supposed to find out, okay, like what is the count of vowels in a string or something like that. So definitely we will set a count is equal to a value. So for that we can use the assignment operators for later incrementing the counts. I will show you. So that for that the shortcut is plus equal to. So if I am giving A plus equal to 10, later if I am giving print A, it will give 20. What if I am running in this thing again? Okay, string. Okay, good. So since it is not in the loop, it will give 20 only. Okay, good. Similarly for minus equal to, multiplication equal to, suppose instead of this I am giving multiplication equal to, it will automatically multiply. So this is similar to A equal to A into 10. Sorry, yeah, 10. So both are similar but taken in this form. Next is identity operators. So here comes the pretty important interview questions like identity operator and membership operator. You can expect questions from this area for your interview. So let's see what are identity operators. basically is and is not, it is called as the identity operator. It is used to compare the objects, that is check whether both are in same memory location. Okay, if I give a is equal to 10, print 10 is a and I'm running, I'll get true. Okay, okay, so here I am getting one getting true, and I'm getting like there is a syntax warning. With a syntax warning is this with a literal, did you mean double equal to? No, I mean this one only. If I give double equal to, let me see, that is for checking. Okay, so is this basically a kind of checking? I have to check whether not a value but they are in same memory location or not. Now membership operators, they are in and not in. It is used to check the membership in sequence of datas. The other one was for the single values which I am checking. And this membership operator, I have to check whether this data in the sequence data. The sequence data means whether it is in the list, tuple or strings, like that. So if I am giving a list here, a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So yeah, I'm checking 10 in A. Let me see what they're giving. Pretty much good. True. Let me try with Norton also this time. So far so good, they're giving false. Okay, so remember identity operators and membership operators. Next comes the bitwise operators. This is used in the binary calculations and all. Similarly like AND or XOR, ones complement, left shift and right shift. In this ones complement, if I am taking ones complement of 10 and I'll get a value. Okay, so suppose if I am taking a is equal to 10 and I'm taking b is equal to ones complement of a, I think I'm getting some error. No, okay, good. Now I'm getting print b. What if I'm running? Yeah, it's giving some values minus 11. But that is one's complement, right? Okay. Okay. So yeah, and the left shift will shift the data to values that is given after this operator. Similarly, the right shift also shift the values to right after the that is the, we will give a value something like double greater than 2. It means it will shift to the right twice or similarly. Okay, so that are the operators in Python. Simple but integral part, I can say, because you should know what are these operations, and while doing some arithmetic calculations, or I told you like this plus equal to minus equal to etc, we are using in the count. Also if we want to find the remainder, like if we want to find something like whether it is an even number odd number, we will check with the remainder. So in such applications, so we should know the operators. Also this and or not is not, so it's an integral part, I can say. So thank you. Let's see in next session. Bye. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button, and for the further notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.